Today, we're diving into Next.js, a powerful framework for building modern web applications. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and flexible solution for your web projects, Next.js might just be what you need. This open source framework is built on top of React and focuses on providing seamless development experiences with features like server-side rendering and static site generation. Once you land on the Next.js homepage, you're greeted with a sleek interface that guides you toward getting started. The documentation is comprehensive, making it easy for beginners to pick it up, but also includes advanced features for seasoned developers. You'll notice that Next.js is designed to make the web faster by supporting optimized builds and automatic code splitting. What stands out about Next.js is its flexibility. You can build everything from static websites to highly dynamic web apps, all with the same framework. Its hybrid static and server rendering capabilities allow you to choose the best rendering method for each page, which is a game changer when you need a mix of both. The ability to pre-render pages with static generation and then rehydrate them on the client side gives you the best of both worlds. Point one feature I love is the image optimization built right into Next.js. This automatically optimizes images, reducing page load times, which is crucial for performance and SEO. Speaking of performance, Next.js does a great job of handling code splitting. It ensures that only the necessary JavaScript is sent to the browser, which can result in faster page loads. Another highlight of Next.js is its API routes. You can create serverless functions directly within your app, making it easier to handle server-side logic without having to manage a separate backend. This is especially helpful for projects that don't need a full-fledged server infrastructure. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. These links include tutorials, guides, and tools that could help you get the most out of your Next.js experience. Now, let's talk about deployment. Next.js has seamless integration with Vercel, the company behind Next.js, which makes deploying apps a breeze. The process is straightforward, and the platform provides automatic scaling, making it an excellent choice for any size project. While Next.js offers a lot of amazing features, there are a few things to keep in mind. Some developers might find the learning curve a bit steep, especially if they are not familiar with React or server-side rendering. However, with its powerful features and growing community, it's well worth the effort. To wrap up, Next.js offers an impressive set of tools for building modern, fast, and scalable web applications. Whether you're creating a simple static site or a complex web app, Next.js has you covered with its versatile features and ease of use. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and web development tutorials.